At Amazon, you have seen a 10% drop in the checkout process over the past 3 days. What are the top 3 hypotheses you would test first?
Great. That's an interesting question. To address the 10% drop in the Amazon's checkout process, I think would look at 3 key areas. The first area that I would go for is the user experience issues, which could happen due to usability issues like complicated forms or lack of clear instructions, or there is some insufficient information available which might be leading to the customer drop-offs. The number 2 hypothesis